much cheaper price than what they will, you know.
That I did not know. But this massage thing was really interesting. Foot massage. We will take breakfast and go for foot massage. Take lunch and go for foot massage. This
Yeah,
is
it is
reasonable also, and they do nicely.
yeah, it is, and it's a very peaceful country. I mean, people are very nice, and I think they are. I think looks like they're showing the stage, so looks like they're conveying for that. Hopefully, they had some power outage apparently, so let's hope that.
I was wanting to move from Africa to, I mean, Bangkok, but it was almost done. But finally, I was asked to go and support Ukraine. So
Oh, is it? Oh, so you might end up coming down this way at some stage, or what?
that is my aim. It had been always, but that part I have not. I'm not very much interested in Europe and USA
No,
itself.
I think you will actually, for us Indians, if we find this culture very, very. People are,
Amenable,
very,
very.
very.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Even
very.
Africa, in Africa, I was feeling just at home. It was like I'm in India.
Very
Same,
welcome.
yes, very much like similar developing countries, same type of people, same type of this thing,
Yeah, yeah,
and the same feeling you get when you go to East Asia, these countries, Bangkok,
yeah.
Thailand.
Yes, the very
Europe is
welcome.
quite different. Europe is. This is my. I mean, since I have joined, I have for last 2 months I'm in Mumbai basically telecommuting because of one or the other reason.
Yes.
I'm going back on 19th.
Okay. Okay.
So then next 3 4 months I'll be there, and most likely if situation improves in Kyiv, then I will move to Kyiv, Ukraine.
Oh, is it okay?
So
Uh,
our office is in Kyiv basically, but
safety can be an issue, isn't it?
so since war has started, the temporary office has been in Vienna.
Yeah.
Hello, hello. Good
Hello.
afternoon, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, sir. We are audible. We are from NCMC.
Yes, is very much
Okay,
audible.
that's great, sir. So,
Um,
sir, we will be starting
yeah,
soon, sir. So,
yeah. Just,
yeah. So we'll
just
start.
one.
We'll be starting with Hemant Chaudhary,
Uh,
sir.
just one. Yeah, Hemant. Just one
Yeah.
question.
Yes, sir.
The presentation I got has got a video embedded into it.
Okay.
I'm more than happy to send you a Google link in the next few minutes,
Right.
and whether you want to play it at your end, because then it will be clear for people.
Right, sir. No
Because
problem. We will do that.
so do you want me to create a Google link and send it to you in the next couple of minutes?
No problem, sir. We'll be waiting for you. No issues.
Okay, because I think you got still some few minutes before people come
Right.
back to
But
the
when we'll
auditorium.
be playing that video, like your presentation will be
Yeah,
overlapping. Okay.
yeah.
Then
So what could happen is the video is embedded into the presentation, so it will be easy for you to just, if I just say it is a 3-minute video, so
okay.
it will be easier.
No problem, sir. We'll do that. So
Uh,
you are sending
so
us the whole PPT?
I'm connected to Rakesh on WhatsApp. Do you want
No,
me to send
he's there.
the
He's there.
link of that video to, or I'll leave that with me. I'll send you a
You can
link
type
of
it
the
on
entire
message.
presentation. That will be
So you
easier.
can type that link on chat box of this Google Meet. We'll get that.
Okay, okay. I can. Okay, there is a chat box. Okay,
Yeah,
that's even better.
right bottom corner.
Okay,
Message window
so
is there. You can
I
type
can
it there.
actually I can even include the entire file into it. It might
Right.
take a couple of minutes, but I'll
No problem, sir.
let
Take
me.
your time. Take it.
Okay,
When you
thank
will say yes, we'll start then. No
okay,
issues.
done.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you.
So Hemant, let us connect later on through.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
Yeah, and what I'll do is give me 2 minutes. I'm just going to do my link, send them the link, and
Okay,
then
okay.
we'll join soon. Thank you,
We
thank you.
will.
But we'll have to connect. I think it will be nice to.
No, no, no. Let
Thank,
us do.
thank you,
Thanks. Okay. All the best for your presentation.
thank you, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Vishwesh.
And I am Neojit. We are from third year Mechanical Engineering Department. I hope you all enjoyed the lunch with this refreshing break and are now re-energized for the sessions ahead. We are about to delve into a series of enlightening presentations and discussions that promise to unravel some of the most intriguing aspects of mechanical engineering. The afternoon sessions promise to be equally captivating, covering a range of topics from cutting edge technologies to the real world applications. Our esteemed speakers include Engineer Anjani Kumar from World Bank and Engineer Hemant Chaudhary, the visionary founder and MD of Circular Economy Alliance Australia. Following these enlightening talks, get ready to be inspired by corporate presentations from industry leaders like Bajaj Steel Industries Limited, Moil Limited, Yantra India Limited, and RC Plasto Tanks and Pipes Private Limited. Their contributions are not just shaping industries, they are shaping the future. Post these presentations, we will regroup for tea, allowing the networking and discussions on the presented topics.
So without any further ado, we now step into the heart of our conventions, the technical session 1, where we have privilege of hosting distinguished speakers who are at the forefront of innovation and progress in the field of mechanical engineering. Even though miles may physically separate us, but the power of technology brings us together here today. Through this virtual platform, it is an immense pleasure to introduce our esteemed guest, Engineer Hemant Chaudhary, who will be joining us virtually for this session.
Engineer Hemant has forged a distinguished 32-year career, leaving an indelible mark in the realms of circular economy, climate change, and ESG worldwide. His pioneering initiatives in the collaboration with the UN, World Bank, and international agencies have resonated across continents. Mr. Hemant's expertise spans diverse sectors from water and renewable energy to infrastructure, oil and gas, education, and more, including multi-billion dollar projects of greater scale and impact. Having collaborated with major corporates, government, industrial bodies, startups, and investors, Engineer Hemant's influence is far reaching. Noteworthy partnerships include entities like the UN, World Bank, Saudi government, Government of South Australia, BHP Billion, Siemens, and University of Adelaide. Mr. Hemant has been instrumental in establishing pivotal organizations such as the SA, Environment Protection Authority, and, and Circular Economy Alliance Australia, CEA. His brainchild, the Global Leadership Program on the Circular Economy, in partnership with the UN Center for Regional Development, stands as an iconic executive leadership program. He is actively engaged in international trade missions, conferences, and seminars, having delivered over 300 presentations globally. CA, a trailblazing agency in circular economy, ESG, and climate change, is currently at the forefront of major consulting projects in India, Australia, and the Middle East. With a global community of over 15,000 leaders, CEOs, experts, and change agents, CA's impact is undeniable.
It is with immense pleasure that we extend our warmest welcome to Engineer Hemant Chaudhary. We are truly honored to have him here to share his profound expertise with us. Over to you, sir. Hemant, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, very good. Just give me a second, please. I'll just try to uh, share my presentation.
Your expertise and insights have left us an indelible mark on us. Thank you for sharing your knowledge with such passion and energy.
As we continue our journey into realm of cutting-edge technology advancements, it is my pleasure to introduce our next distinguished speakers virtually, Engineer Anjani Kumar. Engineer Anjani Kumar is a seasoned World Bank professional with over 13 years of dedicated service. He currently holds the position of Procurement Hub Leader for Ukraine, Moldova, Belarus, based in Vienna, Austria. Engineer Anjani Kumar brings with him a wealth of expertise in public procurement, boasting an impressive 35-year track record in the field. Educated at renowned institution, Engineer Anjani hold MTech degree in design of mechanical equipment from IIT Delhi, complemented by BE in mechanical engineering from VNIT Nagpur. Additionally, he is certified Triple P expert recognized by APMG International, a testament to his commitment to professional development. Engineer Anjani's journey with the World Bank began in May 2010 when he joined as a senior procurement specialist for South Sudan, stationed in Juba. Since then, he has taken progressively challenging role, including serving as procurement hub leader at various regions such as Sudan, South Sudan, Somalia, Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Ethiopia, and Eritrea. Before his tenure at World Bank, Engineer Anjani contributed significantly to Indian Railways for about 22 years, ascending to the position of Deputy Chief Materials Manager. His dedication also led him to serve in Afghanistan for approximately 2.5 years on World Bank project, seconded from Indian Railway through RITES India. Engineer Anjani's exemplary leadership, unwavering personal integrity and technical competence, and steadfast commitment to his work have earned him numerous awards. These accolades come not only from the highest authority of Indian Railways, but also from the various team recognition received during his tenure at the World Bank.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let us extend our heartfelt welcome to Engineer Anjani Kumar. We are honored to have him here to share his valuable insights with us.
Over to you, sir. Anjani, sir. Yes, sir. We can hear you. No, sir. I- So you have presented, but we are unable to see the PPT. Yes, now we can see it.
value contracts. There are wide varieties of sectors. If it is works contract, you must be
Thank you, Mr. Kumar, for your insightful presentation. Your expertise add immense value to our discussion. We appreciate your time and knowledge. Um, Thank you, sir. Just a second.
Anjani, thank you for a very interesting talk. For want of time, friend, we are not taking any questions. However, we are asking our audience to give their questions to us, which we'll pass on to you, and then it will be communicated to the audience. I hope you. Yeah, thank you, Anjani. Thank you so much. We'll certainly get back to you on that. Thank you.
Let's kickstart our corporate presentations with one of the leading names in the industry, Bajaj Steel Industries Limited. Their unwavering commitment to excellence and innovation has propelled them into the forefront of mechanical engineering solutions. Today, they will be sharing their latest advancement and achievement with us. Without any further ado, I would like to invite um, Dr. M.K. Sharma, CEO and Director of Bajaj Steel Industries Limited. And I also request Dr. R.L. Srivastava, conveyor of this event, to felicitate Dr. M.K. Sharma.
Yeah, good afternoon to everybody. This is a rather corporate presentation, so I will only talk about the products and the what Bajaj Steel is doing and what are the as per the theme of the program, the what kind of say smart manufacturing and certain things which you are aiming to address are uh, more or less you can say we are what we are doing. I will just try to give some insight about that. Just a minute. चलिए ठीक है वो हो गया मैं कर लेता हूँ Yeah. So far, the first emerging theme you have taken today is emerging trends and development on smart manufacturing, renewable energy, and the mechanical system diagnostic and design. See, as a Bajaj Steel, which was started in 1962, the various products. It was a company manufacturing a particular machine only. If I now give you the view, company has grown manifold, and that too by adopting technologies from the world, and we can be proud of the that we are number one now in the world, not in the India only. about a particular technology which is regarding the cotton processing. Everybody is wearing the cotton, but how the cotton is processed when it comes from the field to the spinning mill, very few people go into the detail, but lot of technology is required, and the cotton varieties which are grown throughout the world, which are suitable, some are suitable for the shirting, some are suitable for the denim, some are suitable for the suiting, some are suitable for the dress material for ladies. So different kind of varieties are there, and they require a different kind of treatment when the processing is done. So all those things are addressed by the Bajaj Steel Industries Limited for throughout the world, whether the machineries for the ginning are used or the cotton processing are used in USA, whether in Australia, whether in the South America or the India or China, partially China, yes, they also have their very restricted, they allow, but yes, China also, and then Africa and other CIS countries, etc. Wherever the cotton is grown, you will always find the Bajaj present over there. So if I give you the little bit about the information about the company, it was established in 1961. Then it is a world class. It is having a world class manufacturing facilities in and around Nagpur. Around 10 factories are working. So those are state of art factories. Rather, if you compare them with the German manufacturing facilities, more or less those systems have been adopted, that everything should be made on tables, that everything should be made on the, you can say, kept in a way. It should be the technology in the metallurgy. Lot of designing research goes on about the, you can say, weather conditions, whether it is temperature, whether it is, say, altitude, all those matters when you go for designing a machine. So all those aspects are taken care. That is a specialty. Very few, sometimes the designers, particularly mechanical designers, they concentrate on the region where they are sitting, and they try to design as per their region requirement only. Say, if in this area, if somebody will design, he will consider the temperature 0 to 50 degree, probably for the most of the machines. But if that machine has also to be supplied to the areas like CIS and China, where the temperature goes minus 18, 20, uh, those metallurgically have to be changed, or even certain, you can say, drive systems, etc., have to be little bit different. Then unless and until you also consider all these aspects, you cannot design the world class machineries. So this should be kept in mind. So further, if I go, of course, these are the our core purpose and the aims which we have taken for our company. And this is board of directors, just to show that all are from the area only, and still all the team of Bajaj Steel, approximately 1700 people, uh, out of them a large team is the designing team, which is mechanical designers also, electrical also, and the civil also. So all those contribute, and excellently, sorry, they excellently contribute to the those machines which can be sold in the all advanced countries, and we have to face the challenge or competition from the US and China particularly. While we have found ourselves that okay, in to the US we might sometime outpaced by the pricing, while the China we are always ahead of in the technology and quality aspect. So that way we are able to be ahead of them, and that is why we are number one. Otherwise, probably American and Chinese, for different regions, they might would have been. Further, the research has to continue. If we go to this, uh, uh, say, subsidiaries, of course, they are showing now the slide of the subsidiaries. So I will tell that Bajaj has a subsidiary in the US. We have in the Africa also. also in the Europe, in Belgium. So that way we are covering almost the entire world. Again, the uh, various, you can say, sales is always a prime thing. Otherwise, unless you reach to the people, how can you sell your product? You have to introduce. So whatever your knowledge or your product is, it is needed to be introduced to the people. So that introduction is done by through the our branches or our subsidiaries or the agents worldwide. While the designing capability, if we say that the 3D, 2D, everything is available in the your local area. So anybody, if somebody wants to take the advantage, he need not to go out. Uh, Particularly, Nagpur is a very, you can say, such a good place where the almost all the faculty, good faculties are available, colleges are available, and world class education is available. Only thing one has to concentrate. And the designing part, if we see, the lot of people they are getting trained over here. So and if they want to get further training, industries are there to support. So we always support, whether it is from BNIT or other engineering colleges or even IIM. If somebody wants to take some internship, we are normally taking them. So that way Bajaj Steel can be used for those purposes also. Now, little bit about the products which are already being covered. So machinery, basically, companies now, earlier it used to be a cotton leader in the cotton ginning and pressing machinery or cotton processing machinery or cotton seed processing machinery company. But over a period, it has become a multi engineering company, multi product engineering company. So lot of new products have been added. Earlier, only the plant machinery was being made. Then the buildings, which was troubling, sometime machine are ready, but the buildings are not ready. So we started a new division of making the pre-engineered steel buildings, which again later on added the civil side of it. So many buildings have been made by the Bajaj Steel, like the Indorama and the IOC and IOCL, Tata. So many buildings in this area are coming from Bajaj Steel. Again, there was a small problem about the electrical. Building factory is ready, but electrical is not coming. So then we started a division of the electrical panels and electrical other items, which is now catering both the LT and HT section. And a lot of export is taking place to the even CIS countries or the African countries or even to the South America. So that way, good knowledge about the electrical is also available with the Bajaj Steel, and everything is available. Small other items like the firefighting systems, those are being designed. And then the doors, the new addition, one is the door, which is fire doors, which were earlier imported from China all, and now Tata and Bajaj, they are the major manufacturer of the all kind of safety doors and fire doors. So further, there is of course, this is machinery. You machinery manufacturing capabilities you must have, otherwise you cannot manufacture the products. Now we have added a new division, which is called heavy engineering, in which we are making now the all passenger boarding bridges and the various conveyors and the heavy items for the steel plants. Uh, the the longest passenger boarding bridge for the Asia was just delivered by us few days back, which is being installed in the Kochi now in India. And many other airports, they have the passenger boarding bridges manufactured by Bajaj, like Surat, Baroda, Ahmedabad, Trichy, many. There are a very long list. So that way, if you see the here, you may see some pictures of those products. And Further, these are the various passenger boarding bridges which are supplied from Bajaj Steel. These are the ginning machines, different kind of. There are 4 ginning technologies in the world, which are to cater the different varieties of the cotton. So some few pictures of them. You can go to next. These are primitive machines which were earlier used, is still used for the certain varieties, but now the advanced versions have come. A lot of advancement has taken place during this period. Uh, Nowadays, all automatic plants. So earlier, those used to be a manual kind of plants. So automation has taken place, and now the fully automatic plants with having HMIs and the even SCADA central control, everything is being supplied from the here only. These are advanced machines which are high capacity and for the different varieties which are mostly grown in the machine picked areas like the USA and South America and the some CIS countries. So these machines are used for them. So again, after the separation of the fiber from the seed, some small uh, piece of the fiber remains on the seed, which is used as a 100% cellulosic material. So cotton has a very high cellulosic value. So that is removed and used for different purposes. There are more than 28 purposes of the cellulosic, this cotton linter we call it. And this is more or less a substitute, becoming a substitute for the even plastics in certain cases. So this is eco-friendly and now coming into the use very widely. Of course, the other ginning and the ginning machine, plant-related machineries are there. In nutshell, if I tell you that of course the various products and the engineering capabilities, if you see, almost in this area, hardly anybody will be there who has the equal capability, engineering capabilities as Bajaj Steel has. So this can be taken benefit of, and lot of industry which has here, we will certainly like to collaborate with them. And we have taken the 4 collaboration from US. We are also having 1 collaboration from the for other products. So in the near future, more expansion is coming. So, and we will be doing the more local. Right now, we are exporting more than 65% of our products and only doing 35% for the India. But in the future, we want that our share should for the Indian consumption and products should go more than 60%. So we will certainly do that. I think it is enough. Thank you. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, sir, for taking us on a journey of the Bajaj Steels. Next, our agenda is a presentation of Moil India Limited. Known for their relentless pursuit of quality and efficiency, Moil Limited has established itself as a true industry leader. Their contributions have been instrumental in shaping the mechanical landscape. I request Dr. Arya Srivastav, sir, to felicitate Mr. A.K. Rai.
Uh, Moil Limited. I am from Moil Limited. Moil Limited is CPSE under Ministry of Steel. Core business of our company is production of manganese ore from underground and open cast mines. Presently, we are the leading producer of manganese in country.
Excuse me, sir. Please, can you limit it to 10 minutes only, please?
Okay, right.
Thank you.
Presently we are producing about 15% of total national requirement, and probably by end of this year our share will be increased to 18%. And manganese is generally more than 90% of 95% of production is utilized for manufacturing of steel. In fact, manganese provide hardness to steel. That's why tagline of our company is adding strength to steel. Today, I am sharing just some technical information regarding tracking system for solar modules. Solar module tracking system are motorized mechanical tracking system that orient solar array towards the sun. Actually, this technology was came first in 2008-9, and after 10-15 years of development, it will use for that commercial purpose for all fields. Next, the tracker optimizes the angle at which panel receive solar radiation, thereby maximizing electricity production of solar plant. Actually, by providing east-west tracking, the same capacity of solar panel. By same capacity, we can generate about 20 to 30% more generation. Next,